Hey there, happy What's Up Wednesday. Today we are going to be covering a feature from New Product Screens that's going to help you work smarter, not harder, and allow you to schedule out your upcoming custom badges. This is an amazing tool that I highly recommend checking out. In your New Product Screens, you now have the option to schedule a start and end date for custom badges. You can do this from a product level, one by one, or you can do this in bulk from the New Product Screen. You can also manage upcoming custom badges from one amazing view. What can this be used for? If you're not already using custom badges, you can use this to add a note onto the product card saying that this comes in multiple colors. You can also include a coupon code. You can include that it comes in sizes small through 3XL. So many helpful notes that lives on the product card as a helpful cue. I highly recommend checking this out. We have so many more automations coming up with New Product Screens that we would love to share about. If you're interested in learning more about New Product Screens, book a call with Solutions or join our webinar. Thank you.